Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey through the life and philosophy of one of history's most brilliant minds. In this few minutes exploration, we'll delve into the world of Plato, a luminary of ancient Greece whose ideas continue to shape our understanding of reality, knowledge, and the human condition. In this quest for knowledge and wisdom, we shall uncover the life story and profound philosophical insights of Plato, a philosopher whose legacy spans millennia. So, grab a comfortable seat and prepare to be immersed in the realm of ideas and enlightenment. Born around 427 BCE in the vibrant city of Athens, Plato came into a world of political upheaval and intellectual fervor. But his journey was destined to be far from ordinary. Plato's early life was marked by privilege and opportunity. His family's connections allowed him to mingle with the elite of Athenian society, exposing him to a diverse array of thought and ideas. It was during these formative years that he encountered Socrates, a philosopher whose revolutionary approach to questioning would forever alter Plato's path. Plato's education journey led him to explore the vast landscapes of thought, from mathematics to rhetoric. He embarked on travels that expanded his horizons and deepened his understanding of the world. But it was Socrates who left an indelible mark on Plato's intellect. The Socratic method of inquiry, questioning assumptions to arrive at truth, would become a cornerstone of Plato's own philosophy. Inspired by his mentor's legacy, Plato founded the Academy, an institution that would nurture intellectual exploration and foster the growth of countless young minds. Plato's pen was as powerful as his mind. Through his timeless dialogues, he engaged readers in discussions that ranged from the nature of reality to the essence of justice. At the heart of Plato's philosophy lay his groundbreaking theory of forms. This revolutionary concept posited that the material world was but a fleeting shadow of a higher reality, a realm of perfect, unchanging forms. His allegory of the cave vividly illustrated the journey from ignorance to enlightenment, a transformative passage that echoed his belief in the power of education to liberate the mind. Plato's political ideals envisioned philosopher-kings as enlightened rulers, guiding a just and harmonious society based on wisdom and virtue. Plato's legacy reached far beyond his lifetime. His influence reverberated through the works of Aristotle, the Renaissance, and beyond, inspiring thinkers to probe the depths of human existence. Plato immersed himself in mathematics, particularly geometry, arithmetic, and astronomy. Mathematical rigor fostered his logical thinking and provided a foundation for his philosophical pursuits. Plato recognized the importance of persuasive communication and studied rhetoric. This skill enriched his ability to convey complex philosophical ideas clearly and engagingly. Plato's education took a profound turn when he encountered Socrates. Socrates' dialectical method of questioning reality deeply influenced Plato's philosophical inquiries. Inspired by his passion for learning, Plato founded the Academy. The Academy's diverse curriculum promoted interdisciplinary exploration and intellectual growth. Plato's dialogues, presented as conversational exchanges, became his hallmark. Through dialogues, he explored fundamental themes like truth, justice, and the nature of reality. Plato's diverse education and studies shaped his unique philosophical perspective. This foundation led to his lasting influence on philosophy, as his ideas continue to resonate across cultures and generations. Plato believed that the ultimate reality exists in the realm of forms, which is separate from the physical world. These forms are abstract, unchanging, and eternal entities that serve as the true reality behind the fleeting and changing material world. In the material world, we encounter particular objects that share certain common characteristics. For example, various chairs in the physical world share the characteristic of chairness. According to Plato, these common characteristics are derived from their corresponding forms in the realm of ideas. The form of chairness is the perfect and unchanging template from which all particular chairs derive their characteristics. The forms are unchanging and eternal. Unlike the objects in the physical world, which are subject to decay and change, the forms remain perfect and immutable. They represent the highest level of reality and serve as the standard against which the imperfect material world is measured. Plato organized reality into a hierarchical structure, with the realm of forms at the top, followed by the world of physical objects, and finally the world of appearances, which is the least real and most deceptive. Plato's theory addresses the philosophical question of how knowledge is possible. According to him, true knowledge is not derived from sensory experiences of the material world, which can be deceptive and subject to change, but from an understanding of the eternal and unchanging forms. Plato's theory introduces a dualistic view of reality, distinguishing between the material world and the world of forms. This metaphysical framework has influenced subsequent philosophical debates on the nature of reality and the relationship between abstract concepts and concrete objects. Plato observed that the physical world is in a constant state of flux, with objects undergoing changes in appearance, size, and qualities. This instability and variability of the material realm raised doubts about the accuracy and permanence of sensory perceptions. Plato believed that our senses can be deceived by illusions and appearances that do not accurately represent the true nature of objects. He famously illustrated this point with his allegory of the cave, where prisoners only see the shadows of objects on a wall and mistake them for reality. Plato recognized that different individuals might perceive the same object differently due to variations in their sensory capacities, experiences, and perspectives. This suggests that sensory perceptions are subjective and can lead to divergent interpretations. Aristotle was a student of Plato and initially followed his teachings closely. However, he eventually diverged from some of Plato's ideas to develop his own philosophical system. Aristotle was influenced by Plato's concept of forms, but he criticized the idea of a separate realm of forms and instead emphasized the importance of studying the empirical world to derive knowledge. He retained Plato's emphasis on the importance of reason and knowledge but developed a more empirical and systematic approach to philosophy. Aristotle's works covered a wide range of subjects, including logic, metaphysics, ethics, politics, and natural sciences. Despite their differences, Plato's influence on Aristotle can be seen in Aristotle's engagement with topics like universals, ethics, and the nature of reality. And so, as the sun sets on our exploration of Plato's life and philosophy, let us remember that even in our modern age, his ideas remain a guiding light, urging us to seek truth, knowledge, and the eternal ideals that shape our understanding of the world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the life and philosophy of Socrates. We hope this exploration has inspired you to engage in your own philosophical inquiries and embrace the timeless wisdom of questioning. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on history, philosophy, and the exploration of human knowledge. Until next time, keep questioning, seeking, and growing.